Hi, I'm David Bulluck of the Bulluck Law Group, and you're watching the Ask David Bulluck Show. So today, the topic that I'd like to cover with you is if you've been involved in a slip and fall accident, what are some of the things that you need to know about so that you're protected in your case? And there's a couple crucial things in slip and fall cases that we always look for, because what we have to prove liability is that what caused you to slip and fall, either the store created it, or if a fellow customer created it, that the store was negligent in their maintenance and that they allowed that dangerous condition to exist for such a period of time that had they have acted appropriately, they would have seen it, they would have cleaned it up or wiped it up, and it wouldn't have caused you to fall. So what are some of the things that we look for in slip and fall cases, and how do we go about proving what we need to prove to win liability? Obviously, the first part is a lot of stores have video surveillance inside of the store itself. One of the first things we do when we come on as an attorney for a client is we make sure that the store saves, that they extract out from whatever digital system they're using, they extract out the video for at least 5 hours before and 5 hours after the accident. We want to make sure that that's saved and preserved for the case. We also want to make sure that if there's any witness testimony, we secure that immediately. And we want to make sure that we document what was the substance on the ground that caused the person to slip. And if that substance had any form of debris that was inside of it that could help us prove that this condition had been existed on the ground for a long period of time. Other than that, the store usually creates an incident report form that the store manager, one of the employees, will complete, and typically they ask the person to sign. I think it's better off if you don't sign it because you're injured, probably not in the right frame of mind, and plus you're not the one writing it, the store is, so they're going to use certain wordings and terminology that you might not understand, but they might have legal ramifications that you don't realize you're signing it, but could go against you in the future and they could use it in your case. So I think don't sign the incident report form. Make sure you get an attorney early so that you can save the store surveillance video footage for your case, and then also make sure that it's very clear what it is that caused you to slip and fall, and if there's anything that, if there's a lot of water on the ground, if your shoes, if your clothing got wet, make sure you take photographs of that, because obviously that's going to dry up later and it's going to be hard to prove other than your word against theirs. So I hope that some of those points help you if you are involved in a slip and fall case. Those are some key areas where you can help prove liability on the store. But again, this is the Ask David Bulluck Show, where you ask and I answer. So make sure that you ask your questions, because I want to keep you, the public, informed about your legal rights.